We now have a new, closer look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which provides all the answers to those who are interested in a flat display on the S24 Ultra as well as those who use the Galaxy S23 Ultra. We obtained the images from every angle, and Ice Universe distributed all of these images. First off, at 8.6mm, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be incredibly thin compared to the S23 Ultra. With the S23 Ultra at the top and the S24 Ultra at the bottom, the sides of the Galaxy S24 Ultra are truly remarkable. The S24 Ultra's buttons are marginally larger than those on the S23 Ultra, and the titanium frame has a nicer appearance and feel. Concurrently, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a new bottom. The S Pen, which was curved on the S23 Ultra, is now flat. The speakers have been modified, becoming a single long strip instead of several holes, and the air vents have been moved to the top. The S24 Ultra's flat display modifies the design. The corners are curved, but not as much as on the S23 Ultra because of the S23 Ultra's curved display. As a result, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's outer bezels appear extremely thick, the thickest of any Galaxy phone, but there's a major explanation for this. Samsung can choose to either follow this route, which results in a bigger phone than the S23 Ultra and a naturally thicker outside bezel, or they can go the other route, which involves gently curving the edges to improve the phone's feel in the hand. Making sharp corners like this was the second choice, and it hurts the hand. Samsung also manages to resolve this issue. There's one thing that all of these styles have in common once we get the official color selections for the S24 Ultra. Not a single color option has black outer bezels. Even the black Galaxy S24 Ultra has somewhat gray edges. Instead, all models have matching outer bezels. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has one of the tiniest bezels of any Galaxy phone. It measures only 1.5mm, but if the outside bezel is black, it will make the phone appear extremely thick. At last, Samsung officially disclosed that AI will be available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The post, "The new era of Galaxy AI is coming," was shared by Ice Universe. The S24 Ultra's confirmed release date is January 17th. Following the event, you can pre-order your smartphone, and phones will go on sale on January 30th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.